All right, what's up, guys? We are back. Sorry about that. It was a quick break there. I had to go look for someone. We are walking around. Very nice cars. Wow, man, this thing is cool with the red lights and everything, and the tire lettering. So we are taking a walk, and everybody's out, but unfortunately we're spread all over the place. What's up, Dustin?
What's going on, man?
Going on?
We came like 6 cars in.
Troy, I'm gonna go run up back this way. So we are all over the place. There are cars in different spots. I think one of the best spots was In-N-Out. Nice Mercedes, very clean. Look at that thing. We've got 240s. Oh man, 8086. Gotta stop by this joint. Wow. Whose car?
This one?
Yeah.
I have no idea.
Wow, this thing's pretty cool. Thanks, man. Got the dominoes on it. That's pretty cool. Got the crazy lights. Is this Gerald? I think this is the one that I filmed. I'm not sure, but that's a nice either way. I believe you've seen this on one of my videos before. Oh, is this an R34? What the hell? Right-hand drive. All right, guys, you see what kind of cars are out tonight, man. This is just a meet too. This ain't even a car show. Jesus, look at this. Japanese muscle. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Sparkle wheel, nice interior with the windows down. Man, I'm scared to even keep my car without the alarm on. Shit. Ooh, nice Genesis. Yeah. Huracan, very nice. Is this one yours, Mr. Greg? Is this yours, Mr. Greg? Is this yours, Greg? What? Is this yours? I've never seen this one yet.
This is a rental.
Oh, you always BSing me, man. Nice car, though. Can I get a ride? Halted. What's up, man? People are still coming. Sorry, guys. People are still coming in. Oh, look at this Mustang. Wow, nice. Who's staying, man? Oh, it's beautiful. Wow, look at this. 402R.
Yeah, Rouse Racing.
Rouse Racing. Is 402 a big block? Considered a big block? Very nice. Cool looking green too, man. Holy cow.
Yeah, I got that.
Nice. Pull back on that real quick. If I don't get hit. And that's, what's his name?